Hello everyone, here we are drawing a koala. For that, first we need to make the face of the koala followed by the eyes, nose and mouth. Then we are making the ears and the body of this koala. We are making it to look like as he is climbing on a tree. Next we move ahead. Here we are drawing a cute kitty. First we are making the face of this kitty and a bow right side, and then we are making the body and then detailing it, and it's ready. Next we are drawing a bee. For that, first we are making the eyes with marker and then we are making the face of this bee. After that we are moving ahead to the mouth and then we are making the body and the wings of this bee, and then it is ready. Just giving it some check structure and it looks so beautiful. Next we move ahead. Here we are making drawing of cute Cyndaquil Pokemon. You must have seen that. First we are making the face and the body of the Cyndaquil as you can see, and then we are detailing it and it is ready. Next we are making a cat. For that, first we need to make the face and then we are drawing the ears and the eyes. After that we are making nose and the mouth and then we are drawing the mustache. Then we move ahead to the body and we are completing its body by toes, tails and giving some little check patterns. Next we move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a parrot sitting on a branch. First we are making the body and the beak of the parrot. Then we are making tree branch on which he is sitting, and it's done. Next we are making drawing of a kangaroo with a baby kangaroo in a pocket. For that, first we need to make the body of the kangaroo followed by the face, and then we are making the pocket, and in the pocket we are gonna draw a small kangaroo also and detailing it, and it's ready. Next we are making drawing of a cute little seal. For that, first we need to make the face and the big teeth of the seal followed by the body, and you can see it's ready. Next we are making a cute teddy bear. For that, first we need to make this cute little circular face and then we are drawing the eyes, nose and the ears, moving ahead to his body, and then we are drawing cute tail. Next we are moving ahead. Here we are making a dancing cow. For that, first we are making the face of this cow and then we are making this dancing body structure, and it's ready. Next we are making a cute rabbit. For that, we are making the face of the rabbit followed by the eyes, nose and the mouth and then ears. After that, we are making body of this rabbit. Next we are making drawing of a penguin. For that, we need to make the body structure of the penguin and the big stomach, and then we are gonna make the beak, and then it's ready. Thanks for watching.